Which one is the right phone to update? No. Oh yeah, this one. Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to update iOS 15.6 for this iPhone SE 2016. And so, without further ado, let's get started. Now let's clean up the phone. Already clean. Now let's turn on the phone. This phone still works well. 32GB of storage, 2GB of RAM. It's similar like iPhone 5s. Mine is rose gold color. As you can see, very nice with a case on. Very nice boot up logo. We already reached the lock screen and the home screen. Alright, turn on this phone, unlock. Let's go to setting, general, software update, and you will get the notice of iOS 15.6. This is the latest version for the iPhone 6s and above through the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Download and install. It takes only 356.4 MB only. Let's install it. Update requested. Now it's loading. About 1 minute remaining. It almost preparing update. So let's install now. Verifying update. Some device it takes a very long time, even in the verifying update. Very cute phone, easy to handle everything and anywhere. I'm not sure why it takes so long. Now already black screen, Apple logo, and it will show you the loading. Oh no, my phone is quite hot. Let's put into the fan to make it cool, and you can see that the loading has been started. It's quite hot, even installing the iOS, not even on the Apple logo, since just now loading. This one also take a very long time on some device. Oh hi, it's my Redmi 6A. Both are white color. Alright, the update has been finished. Now it's a hello screen. Software update complete 15.6. For me, no need passcode. Update Apple ID setting. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this iOS 15.6 update in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Done updating. Good luck.